Alright, some road work up here. We'll see. Big stop sign in the middle of the road. We have a car in front of it though, so should be pretty easy with this since we have a car already here. He's the lady walking. And I think we're all good. Look at that. We're making it. Hope it doesn't stop for this railroad crossing sign though. I'm really hoping it doesn't stop. Please don't make me. Keep going, keep going. Okay, good, good. Okay. Still not confused. It's going good. And look at that. Doing good.